Greetings everybody, Fu here with a showcase video on some of the best weapon choices you've got out there. If you're looking for a great wooden prop, our go-to guy is the Woodchuck. Woodchuck does phenomenal work out of his shop in Florida. He hand makes all these. This is the DC-17m in blaster configuration. He also makes the sniper attachment and the anti-armor attachment, which I don't have for this build, but great detail. Very accurate. It's got the front sight post that can flip out of the way. It's got removable magazine, which already comes with the plexi on the side, which you can remove if you want to put electronics in there. He also has it set up with magnets to attach inside the magazine well, and a port so that you can wire your electronics through whatever kind of connection you're going to do there. While I've got that off, I'm going to set the camera down here and showcase more of the options with this. We put a lot of work into making it modular so you can remove. He's got 8 very strong rare earth magnets in there, so you can take off the blaster attachment and add the sniper attachment. Now he's added dowels on here in addition to the magnets just to give it extra stability, so you carefully line those holes up, snap that in, and then you have the sniper model. This comes blue already. It'll actually come as a raw wood, so you just need to spray it down. He recommends, and I fully endorse, the Krylon Dual paint and primer in the black. I use the satin, so it's got a little bit of a metallic finish to it. And then after you get a coat on, use a quadruple zero extra fine steel wool to get any little burrs up that the paint brings up. Let it dry, hit it again with another coat. I did that twice, so I actually have three coats on there. He has it pre-wired for electronics. He has a button built right into the trigger here that is wired up and through, so that if you want to add electronics, this is magneted on. You can hide everything in the body here. He's got it all hollowed out. You can see the wires in there ready to go. In addition to that, if you go with the anti-armor attachment, he's got the swing out blast guard door, and of course the magazine for the sniper rounds. You can remove these if you want, if you're going to put plexi or something else in there. And then he's got the holes in the back here for lights on the side of the magazine and screws to remove it, as well as the pre-drilled port and magnets to put the magazine in there. So there it is in sniper configuration. Very cool piece, and it's light because it's all hollow. One thing I didn't point out on the front here, he's hollowed this out and added screens in the vents. So if you put speakers in for your sound, you've got a nice resonance chamber in there already that will definitely help out in making that sound even cooler. And then of course the sidearm, the DC-15s. Another great piece. I know that the TZA holster can be expanded out when you shim it together to fit this fine. Again, he has it pre-wired with a button in there. This plate comes off and your wiring goes up inside there, and this is also a good spot for the battery. If you're going to put electronics, this hinges down, back slides off, and you can see the wires already in there ready for your lights if you're going to put LEDs down the tube. So this just slides back on. That magnet's in place, that actually magnet's in place. And then this section is just a PVC holder that he puts in there. I painted it blue just for show. But you can put a piece of the clear frosted pipe in there and add your LED that will correspond with your trigger for lighting up. So that is the DC-15s. So, wanted to give Woodchuck some props. He does some great work, and I highly recommend his stuff. Anybody that's in the market for weaponry, he doesn't do just the RC stuff. I know he also does a lot of the other clone weapons and even some of the original Stormtrooper stuff. So you can find Woodchuck on clonetroopers.net as well as some of the other sites, or shoot me a message and I can get you his contact info. Alright, have a good one.